everybody's excited about Knock Knock. It is a quarterly subscription that helps keep your front porch looking sharp. Stay tuned to see what's inside the boxes. Okay, we're ready to open the boxes. This is the first time I've ever gotten these, and I'm really excited. So, hold on. So this comes on a quarterly basis, and you can select what you all receive. I chose for plants and new pots. Come on in and see how it's packaged up. So here's the card. They tell you what you're getting along with how to plant it. And then full directions on how to keep it alive. Hopefully that works out for me. All right, so here, I'm gonna pull one out. Okay. And they look like they could use some water. Whew. I ordered 2 of them, so the second one is in the box. I'm gonna open the other box, because that should be my planters. So I guess I forgot what I ordered. I ordered 2 sets of plants with no pots. So they come packaged nicely because I have 4 pots just like this that I will plant them in. So hang tight and we'll plant them and show you what they look like. I did not keep track of when Knock Knock was coming, so it shouldn't take but 10 minutes to pick up soil, and then we'll be back to the house and planting the new planters.
Any other ones you want?
Nope, this potting soil is perfect. 2 bags? 3, okay. All right, we're almost there. All we gotta do is shut the gate and got a 5-minute drive. Okay. Let the planting begin. We are ready. Next shot, I'll show you when they're all done. Okay, there we have it. 4 pots, they all match, same flowers. As far as the subscription goes, I can't say that I'm super impressed with the selection of plants. I mean, they're pansies and some form of daisy. We'll see if things change as it blossoms and grows. I'm not quite sure what this grass is, if that's just filler or if that's gonna bloom anything. I'm not real familiar with plants, hence the subscription. But I'm just grateful all 4 match, and it took us, including the time to go buy the potting soil, it probably took less than an hour to do. That's my kind of planting and doing summer landscaping. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out greatly. And I would love it if you'd subscribe. It would make my day. You have a wonderful week, and we'll see you in the next video.